Looks like the deepest snow we've gotten so far. Siamese cat right there. We meet again. Yeah, that's right. Well, in today's video, got all this snow. Yep, snowed all day yesterday. Ain't it beautiful? Ouch. Well, I think everybody knows what's pretty much gonna happen in this video. Yeah, gonna do another cold start. Why not? Gonna fire up the Danger Ranger. Take my dad to work this morning in it. Then we'll see if the good old Hyundai will fire up. Yeah, why not? It's a little froze. Well, start off with the Ranger. Yeah, got some thick, wet snow yesterday. This might be the deepest snow we've gotten so far this year. Well, there's the exhaust down there. That's a Thrush glass pack. Someone's crunching going down the road. Alrighty, let's get to the startup. Let's fire these. Oh, come on. Yeah, that door handle's busted anyways. And the driver's side door handle is no good. Piece of crap. Makes me lose my temper. So I gotta go all the way, go over here. Piece of crap. 25 degrees out. Feels like 11. That's how cold it is. You know, not extremely cold, but alright. Let's crawl in here and get the driver's side door open. Oh. Oh. Ah, you piece of turd. About ready to poop myself. I'm trying to get these doors open. Alright. Let's see if the Ford will start. Ooh, that seat's cold. Okay. Alrighty. Gotta take my key off. That way I don't have so much weight on the ignition. Alright. I'll shut up and we'll get this thing started. Yeah, that wasn't real exciting. Dang thing fires right up. Heck, it'll still fire right up if you, even though it's in the middle of a tornado. Smell that exhaust. I think the Ranger farted. That's a cold fart. Phew. Alrighty. Oh, you're next. Got this Hyundai over here. See if she starts. Got like 20 tons of snow. 20 ton worth of snow on this car. I don't know if this is a Hyundai or not. Can't even see the emblem. Yep, it's a Hyundai. Alrighty. Ooh. Is this the car barking at me, or is it a... Oh, it's the dog. Alrighty. Get the dang key out. Come on. That wasn't exciting either. Didn't have to sit here and fiddle with it. Don't need no choke. Don't have to pump it or anything. Fires right up. Yeah. Smell those exhaust fumes. Pewy. I think the Hyundai is frying some eggs. Making some cold eggs. Alright, let this sucker warm up. We'll get the snow off the pickup. Take my dad to work. Get off of there. Yep, no point of just starting it up and then shutting it off. Gotta let her warm up a little. Alright, that's pretty much it. Just a couple of cold starts. Piece of crap door handle. That glass I don't know. Oh, this pisses me off. Ticks me off. Gotta always climb through the seat to get the driver's side door open. One of these days. Guess I better turn the heater on. Turn the defrost on. Alright. Scraping ice off, scraping snow off is a pain in the butt. Makes me lose my cool. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'll be back.